Actually sitting on the bridge, we call for help to get out. Here I am on the boat. Today it's Thursday, and on Saturday we are going to move the boat. We're going to try sailing in this boat for the first time. Yes, it's gonna be the first time we're gonna sail, and I don't know how to sail. Luckily my brother does. I hope he does. I think he does. So we'll figure it out. Anyway, I just came up here to the boat to do the last checkup before we get here, and don't have a car, can't get any more supplies, stuff like that. So now the boat is fully equipped with the new gear we bought and food. So check it out. Lots and lots of food and life vests, and yeah, it's gotta be great. It's just great being here in the boat again, and now I'm just, wow, I really can't wait.
Found the gun, finally.
So we're trying to clean the water tank. It hasn't been used for a long time. So now we're just emptying it up with old water so we can put in new one.
Daily workout.
Daily workout.
Routine. 10 minutes every morning.
Nice.
So we ordered some takeaway, and it's probably not normal for them to arrive at the pier, so we are scouting for them because we're really hungry.
In exactly 12 hours, my brother and his girlfriend will join us on the boat, and we will be ready to sail.
We will be ready, but we hope the weather will be with us.
Good morning, here from the boat. I'm just about to make some coffee and some oatmeal. Oatmeal and coffee. My brother and his girlfriend, Martha, just got on the plane from Copenhagen and are now on the way here to Aalborg, where they're gonna meet us in less than an hour. And from there we're gonna prep the boat together so we can get on the seas as quickly as possible.
Get on the road. The first night on the boat was good and bad. I woke up a lot of times because everything was swinging. My back hurt a little bit because the mattresses are quite hard. I slept okay. I think I slept more than I do at home, but I have two small kids, so that's a plus. We kept warm, so the sleeping bag we bought was really nice, and we could warm each other. It's a double sleeping bag, so that's good. Thing I look most forward to on this trip is being together with the people that I love. Of course, I'm looking forward to sail too, but in general, I think it's gonna be awesome to be together with these people because they're awesome. I predict that this trip is gonna be smooth and calm, and I see that everything is gonna go well and the weather is gonna be with us. We're just gonna have a nice ride all the way, maybe a little wet, but no hard winds and nothing scary. My biggest fear on this trip is that I'm gonna find a humongous spider somewhere in the sleeping room. That would be so bad because my dilemma is I really love animals, so if I find this spider at sea, I don't have the heart to throw it overboard, so I need to keep it on the boat, so that would be the most scary thing.
My expectations for this trip is that I'm hoping that we're gonna have a really nice and cozy time. That's the number one. And then there's just the logistics of us moving a boat. That's number two. I feel I am as ready as I can be at this point with the knowledge I have. I don't know what else to do. And now I'm just waiting for Sune and Martha to show up so we can get started. They've been sailing before, they know what to do. I don't know nothing. I know nothing. I am most afraid of the part that we're gonna sail now. We're going to sail through the channel of Aalborg. It's a pretty long way. And the first obstacle is gonna be that we're gonna pass through the bridge and it's gonna open up. And it's not just one bridge, it's two bridges just after each other. And the first one is like a bridge where you can walk and it's for trains. And the second one is for cars. And that's the first thing we're gonna do. Once we just got out of this harbor, then the bridge is there. That's gonna be the first obstacle. And once we pass that, I think I'm gonna feel a little bit of relief, because then it's just gonna be like channel sailing by motor. We're gonna sail, and then we're gonna hit the big ocean Kattegat. Okay, so the worst thing that could happen is I don't know how this boat is going to react to the wind just by sitting put, because we're gonna sit put till we get the signal that the bridge is gonna open so we can sail through. And how do I maneuver if we are in a situation where the boat is likely to drift? It's just and then once it's open, it's gonna be quite narrow, and just not gonna hit a bridge today.
My name is Sune Martha and I'm 25. Experience with sailing is not very much, but I know how to do it, roughly. It's gonna be perfect.
You're totally safe. Yeah.
What are your expectations on this trip?
A nice cozy trip with a lot of wind the first day and no wind the last day. So perfect conditions. We're gonna get everything out of sailing next 3 days.
What are you most scared of on this trip?
Running out of food.
Not
running out of bananas.
Yeah.
Definitely running out of bananas. I'm pretty scared of that.
My name is Martha. I'm 25. I've sailed a bit with others only. Yeah, not alone. My expectation for this trip are that it's going to be funny and we are going to learn new stuff.
Okay, so for good luck, I made these bracelets. It's aquamarine for good luck and good winds and protection from the sea and good feelings. I don't know what it's called. Good spirits from the merfolk down below. So this is for Martha.
Thank you.
And this is for Sune. And I have one and Simon has one. So we're ready to go.
The first bridge we got through, but the second one, we figured out that all of a sudden that there was too much current in the water, and we couldn't. The boat isn't strong enough to steer us away. So right now we're actually sitting on the bridge. We call for help to get out. Men altså, vi skal jo igennem en bro uanset hvad. What just happened?
Yeah, I can't even tell what happened, but we accidentally, I don't know, the wind was strong and we hit the bridge with the
Mast.
And got caught and couldn't get free. Our engine wasn't strong enough. So we tried to call the VHF for help. It didn't work, and we tried calling the bridge to open, but it didn't. Then we called 911 or 112 in Denmark. Everybody came. The police, helicopters, boats, divers.
We had fire department.
Fire department, yeah.
Actually, you can still see the bridge from here.
We're safe now.
First time sailing. We've sit here for I think maybe 2 hours, just discussing what we're gonna do, checking the rig if something is damaged. The only thing we could see, the wind arrow. Yes, it's got a little bit crunched. Yeah, we're gonna have a sail trip for like 3 hours, and then we will get to the harbor where we're gonna stay the night. So we need good.
We have had good charms, but
yes.
Otherwise we know who to call. Okay, so now we're getting ready to try again. I hope this will go better. We feel like we need to do this in order to keep our positivity and commitment high. So we're trying and see how it goes, and hopefully we won't need any assistance this time. Wish us luck.